You made it. Hey, you know, Christopher, it's Big Money Week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know we have one big money game every show, right?
Well, no shit.
Christopher, you got a chance to win $50,000 in cash.
Oh boy, 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 oh boy. I thought you were never gonna come home. I thought you were never gonna come home. I thought you were never gonna come home. I thought you were never gonna come home.
You're gonna be playing half off. Everybody's gonna love that you've got a chance to win $100,000. Because it's Big Money Week, and you're gonna be playing half off.
1, 2, 3. You got it! When I say 3, lift up the lid. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You got it!
Who gives a
But wait, there's more.
For your biggest prize yet, how about a new SUV?
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off.
Oh, it's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
I am getting so hot, I wanna take my
Let it
clothes
hang
off.
on. Why you at the bar if you ain't popping the bottles? Come on. What good is all the fame if you ain't boosting the models? I see you driving sports cars, ain't hitting the throttle, and I be damn. I do 100 top down and goggles. Get off the freeway, exit 106 and parked it. Ashtray.
Oh, God, kill me now.
Showcase, if it's $43,000, actual retail price, $46,910.
God help us all.
You bid $33,450, actual retail price, $49,455. Difference of $16,000. Christopher, you won your showcase. Congratulations. Man, Christopher won $101,604.